Text, LG phone.
Understanding the subsidy lock on an LG phone.
In an animation, an open padlock closes on a phone.
A subsidy lock, sometimes called carrier or network locking, is a process that many carriers use to safeguard customers' phones from hacking and to protect their financial interest.
2 SIM cards, one after another.
Carrier-locked phones have settings that would enable a customer to put in a SIM card from a different carrier and use the phone with that different carrier.
A man in a hoodie reaches for a device in someone else's backpack. Stock prices on a large neon screen.
Locking the phones makes it harder for thieves to resell phones for profit, and also makes sure that carriers can protect their financial investment in phones.
Receipts around a man, who sits on the floor with a phone and credit card. Another man holds a phone over a paper bill. Another man examines a phone in a retail store.
Since most carriers now require customers to make monthly payments over 2 to 3 years to pay off the retail cost of the phone, carriers also have subsidy locks to make sure that customers can't get a phone and then take it to another carrier without paying for it.
A woman dials a traditional phone.
To have your LG phone unlocked so you can use it on whatever compatible carrier you wish to use, you have to contact the original carrier the phone was manufactured for and sold by, and ask them to unlock it.
A representative speaks into a microphone on her headset.
Once the carrier verifies your identity and that the phone has been paid off, they will provide you with a PUK code or personal unlocking key.
Text on the phone, SIM network unlock PIN. Unlock attempt 1 of 10. Unlock, dismiss.
The carrier will provide instructions on how to enter this code into the phone and unlock it. When you enter the code, the phone and network communicate and validate that all the information matches, and then unlock the settings on the phone. Unlocking your phone is something that LG has no control over whatsoever, and you will have to contact the original carrier for a given phone to have it unlocked.
The padlock graphic on the phone unlocks, then locks again.
This applies even if it has been unlocked previously and then relocked, which happens when phones are sent in for repair service with LG.
Logo and text, LG life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
The logos for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.